Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox my new keypad as my gift. So this is my new keypad from Amazon. This is the instruction manual. Finally, my new keypad. Let's put the battery in the battery area. Here we need 6 batteries. I got all of them. Let's open instruction manual and the user card. So here are all the instructions which we need to see before using the keypad. Let's put all of this back in. This is the adapter. So guys, now I'm going to use Uniball Posca markers for writing the letters on the keyboard because this helps in playing it. Let's play Memories on the keyboard. Guys, I don't want to keep it outside, so let's pack it up. Thank you for watching the video.